Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to visit a jungle. Not actually, I'm just joking. Actually, I'm talking about the lesson which we are going to see today. Its name is Jungle Safari. Jungle Safari means jungle ki sair. We have to see here given some animals which are live in jungle. Okay, so we are going to see about them. We are not going actually in the jungle, right? So let's see which animals are there. Same this textbook topic is given in your workbook, page number 36. Okay, jungle safari. So what is given here? You have to look at the picture for a minute. You have to look the picture for a minute and tell the name of the animals. Okay, so here given some animals like deer, see DEER deer, elephant, ELEPHANT elephant, monkey, MONKEY monkey, bear, BEAR bear, ant, ant, housefly, HOUSE house, FLY fly, housefly. Then honeybee, HONEYBEE honeybee. And this is a beautiful butterfly, BUTTER butter, FLY fly, butterfly. Then CAMEL camel, TORTOISE tortoise. Okay, snake, SNAKE snake. This is peacock, PEACOCK. Then squirrel, SQUIRREL squirrel. Then rabbit, RABBIT rabbit. Tiger, TIGER tiger. And the last king of the jungle is lion, LION lion. So kids, what you have to do is question number 2, paste the sticker of the picture of the animals shown in question number 1 and write their names. So for this activity I am giving you 5 days. It means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and after Sunday, on Monday you have to send me this activity with sticking up pictures. And when you sticking the picture here, you have to write, suppose you are sticking here deer picture, so you have to write the name of deer here. Here 2 lines are given, so you write down name of that animal. Okay, here on these lines you have to write the animal name. So this is a activity. You have a 5 day, I'm giving you 5 days. In that 5 days you have to complete this. Understand? Now what you have to do for today, this is the homework. This is the page number 38. So now I am going to explain you what you have to do is, see, when you are writing these all question, you sit with your textbook. Okay, you sit with your textbook. Then what is the question is given? Look at the picture in question number 1 and answer. Look at the pictures which are giving in the question number 1 and you have to answer. Spot the animals whose name end with the sound L. Listen carefully. What is the question is? Spot the animals whose names end with the sound L. Sound L, huh? It means you have to find a spelling which having L at the end, like camel, squirrel. Okay, these 2 names, camel and squirrel, you have to write down here like this, CAMEL camel and SQUIRREL squirrel, like this way, camel and squirrel. See, both having L at the end. Then question number 2, spot the animals whose name end with the sound T. Sound T. Okay, T at the end. see, T, elephant, T, T, okay, elephant. Then ant, and again where anybody, rabbit, like this. See, here having T at the end, elephant, ant and rabbit. So you have to write down here any two name. You can write down elephant, 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 and ANT, ant, like this way. Then spot the animals whose name end with the sound K. Sound K means ending sound with the letter K, like peacock, K, peacock. Then snake, here not having ending sound, means end not having K, but the snake, K, it's ending with, finishing with letter K. So snake and peacock, you write down here. SNAK is snake and PEACOCK, peacock, like this way. Okay. So like this way you have to solve all these given questions. Like spot the animals whose name begin with the letter B. Begin means जो beginning में आता है, B. Where is the B? See, bear. It started with letter B. Then another one, butterfly, starting with letter B. So bear and butterfly, you write it down here. Bear, butterfly, and one more animal is there. Bear, butterfly, and another bear, butterfly, and bee. Don't write how honey, you just write down bee. Okay, bear, butterfly, and bee. BEAR, bear. BUTTER, butter. FLY, fly, and write down just bee. Okay, bear, butterfly, and bee. Like this way you solve all these questions beginning with the letter T, like tiger, tortoise. Then spot the animals whose name begin with letter S. Snake and squirrel. Okay, snake and squirrel having S at the beginning. Okay, the next, spot the animals whose name end with letter E, ending sound E, like this. Where is E? B. Okay, tortoise, E. Snake, E. Okay, like this way you write down here 3 names. Then last question is, spot the animal whose names end with the letter Y. Letter Y at the end. Monkey, housefly. Okay, these 2 names you write it down here. Okay, monkey and housefly. Understand? So you solve this and send me the picture. Okay, children? Thank you very much.